How to set up your profile on Meitu. First of all, open the app and tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on your profile picture option at the top left. Then tap on Edit. Here you can add or change your profile photo, update your nickname, change gender, add age and zodiac sign. Moreover, you can also write a short bio and link social media accounts if you wish. Make sure to save your changes after editing each section. Setting up your profile helps others recognize you, keeps your account organized, and gives a professional touch to your creative work. Now you know how to set up your profile on Meitu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.